Alright, send it. Yep, this is how we've been moving it. You're doing great. What's up, guys? First look at the E30. I haven't showed you guys in detail what's wrong with the car, how it actually looks. You guys just seen me pick it up and actually try to make it back home. Didn't happen. Right now, we currently have these bad boys up on all 4 Harbor Freight dollies, and it moves. For the most part, this car is pretty solid. It actually looks pretty good. I thought it was gonna be thrashed. Engine. You guys know, M20 broke on the way home, 51 miles from the house. Spin it again. All right, turn it up, turn it. Yeah. Coming down for show, gone. M20 is fried, and I'm gonna dive deeper and see what's going on. See you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, I got bad news. Let's turn the music down. Shout out to that, though. That actually comes in clutch. Doesn't sound the best, but yeah. Let me show you what we got going on. I don't think it's that bad. I got my buddy with the E30. He's coming over, but let me just show you. What am I supposed to say? On the side note, I think my buddy's here with the E30, so he's gonna have me out. My hands are dirty.
F it.
Oh, and it's already manual too?
Yeah, it's manual.
Is it straight 6?
Straight 6.
What? They were literally about to be twins. Okay, what do you see?
Oh shoot! Oh my god, there's nothing there. Damn, that's bad. How long did it till you turned it off? After
I just kept turning it. So I've turned it like at least 16 more times.
Yeah, it's done. It's for sure toast.
The whole motor?
Yeah,
or
it's
just the
toast.
Head? You think I might get a new rocker arm and then
Nah, it's more than rocker arms.
That's
damn.
That looks sick.
I'm just looking at that timing belt. There's like nothing there.
Oh, really? Oh shit. Yeah,
There's
you
nothing.
Can see, huh?
There's
oh,
nothing.
Damn. Hey, yeah. So to adjust your valves, you want to go ahead and loosen this. You loosen this bolt and then you turn that lobe.
What's your name? Ahmad. Ahmad? Ahmad.
Nice to meet you. I'm Jason, man.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, he's seen the trouble.
I met Ahmad, huh? Oh shit, we have this car in here?
Yeah. So
I broke this car.
Yeah, he broke this car.
You did some good work though. You know, breaking it. Like, hey, I've never seen that. Like someone breaking it this good.
I'm really good at breaking stuff. It's probably my best profession.
Low key, I think you should get into it.
Hey, you want to see what you did? This is what you broke, right?
That's the tightest part.
Holy shit, that was bad. Hey, in my defense, it was both of us.
It was.
He pulled it. I accelerated.
You got 50% off. Yo, you haven't even seen the timing belt.
So you usually can see the timing belt right here, but it's gone.
Yeah, I didn't even know what a timing belt was. Like when he said it, I was like, wait, is it bad? Because he said it, and I was like, is it bad? Like, are we gonna get it towed? And he was like, yeah.
You assumed that one was
Yeah,
on?
I just assumed because it's like identical. Is it? Or I'm tripping.
It's a coupe.
I mean,
same car.
It don't have like those ugly ass purple rims though.
I know.
So those are real?
The wheels? There's 740 rims.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. BBSs.
The fuck does that mean?
From the E38 to 7 Series, the old ones.
Oh, 7 Series.
7
Oh, it makes sense.
he's converting slowly but surely to a car.
I just know about 540s, bro.
No, we're just gonna stay here.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
That's right. You see the straight 6?
Yeah.
I didn't even say
V6.
5 speed?
5 speed.
Shut up. This feels like our car.
Yeah, like a Honda.
Oh, you have an airbag though.
Oh yeah.
Doesn't
90.
You're late line 90.
90.
Huh?
Yeah.
You fuck with E34s, bro?
Yeah. I had a wagon for a good second. Yeah. They called it the love machine. It had room in the back, you know. Stock E30.
This is fun already. This could be a fun ass car. This is like so. Hey, did you actually race Bone Jones?
Oh, I can't take him, bro. I tried to race him, bro. Like hell no. We were at like 120. That's where I catch up. So if he wants to keep going, he can keep going, but he doesn't want to.
This car's slow, no?
His car bones?
No, this one.
This car's slow.
Yeah, it is.
From the 90s. From the 90s, you know? But it's fun. Look how much fun we're having. Oh, shit.
E30 life, my boy?
Let me tell you one thing. I don't want to like it. Oh, we're supposed to go in there?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Hey, actually, honest, I would say E30s are fun as fuck. But, you know, I'm not trying to be an E30 guy. I'm just going to say, Shalabi hasn't upgraded any suspension. This car is fun as hell already.
Fucking Shalabi.
Dude, the car's fun. It's just so lightweight and such a greenhouse that it just looks like it's just an amazing vehicle. We're on our way to Shalabi's house because he has a shitload of cars. Like I thought I had a shitload of cars. He has way more. So he's gonna do that thing. Then we're gonna head out and do that thing. And we'll see you when we do our thing. You look sick, bro.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm a new car guy. Hey, this one's hard as fuck too.
This was the parts car, huh?
Yeah, but it runs, drives everything.
Damn, dude, you have a jumper?
Without it, we'll just put it the whole thing.
But you gotta invest in jumper, bro. That's Project Car 101.
Facts.
You got AAA?
I do.
See, he knows. AAA, Project Car Live.
How do you think I brought this one, bro? 200
Uh-huh.
miles, 195 miles exactly.
Holy God, it's perfect.
All right, we're doing straight pipe M20, right? This is an M22, right? All right, it's my first time in E24. Dude, everything's just so older.
Look at the tax.
That's why you like it, huh?
The European.
This one's
the
like
orange. 80.
They have a later model though, too, right? Those are higher desirable.
Well, this wasn't made in America. 635.
Oh.
For America, I think 635 came in 84.
Oh shit!
So this is 80.
This is a gray import. Some shit.
Yeah.
These go down?
That's what I was saying. This has a switch here. Let's see what happens.
No way, bro. No way.
Whoa!
Cool, but the rear windows they go down.
Oh, they only go down that far?
Yeah, that's max.
Hey, they go down though. Nah, you're good. Look at that. Damn, dude. Dude, you seen all my shit boxes, huh? Hey Taylor.
up, man? How are you?
From the Bay Area, came all the way down with this bad boy, the Dian 7. Holy shit! What the fuck? Dude, it's a what the fuck? Jesus Christ!
Yo!
I'll fuck with that.
Yeah, man.
My guy!
Whole squad in here? Got down over here.
Autobots, roll out!
So we just pulled up. We're looking where all the other Beamers are, but we're at Rosie Dog Meat Beach. Oh, there's one, but I don't know if he's here for the meet. What's up, man? Okay, anybody else?
Ishmael.
Dude, this is perfect timing. We just all pulled up together. Pretty good meet. Are you coming to meet? Hey, I think we need a hunch for some more BMWs.
How does nothing have no cost or anything, dude?
No. Why is there no confidence?
There's no cost.
As soon as we start doing that shit, bro.
Nah, they're gonna come.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, fam? We're leaving right now. This shit looks crazy. We got like 17 cars mobbing out. This is pretty sick. Yo.
They all lined up.
So yeah, we're gonna go drop off our boss because he has a bitty baddie to take care of. And then for the most part, we're gonna go get some food.
You wanna do a thing?
Fuck it. Hey, my diff mount is shot, dude.
Mine too.
All right, fuck it. Here we go.
What's the dip?
We were like neck and neck, huh?
Yeah, that was like M5 versus M5.
Dude, these are great cars.
Holy crap, those are both so fast.
Yeah, we were quick, and I have an extra person in the car.
Oh yeah, true. I forgot about that part. And I'm really fat.
Why? He's pretty.
Say you're street racing.
They said he was street racing?
Yeah. Just record it. Make sure you record it.
Nah, that fool didn't pull shit. That fool didn't do nothing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
The cops rolled up on us after that pool. There's 2 cops on the homie. Damn, the homie.
You know how we were doing a little pool on the green screen? I had to explain to the cops that it was all filmed on a green screen, everybody's safe. And they actually confused that guy for another guy that we did the pool with. Don't worry about it, you just gotta fix the ticket. Ahmed's all good. On a side note, starting with this bad boy, what's next? I don't know if you guys know, but I parted out the M3. Shh, don't tell anybody, you know, a little secret. And this S52 right here. S52, E30, that's the plan. Sorry to reveal it. I was trying to hold a secret, maybe till we get to 8,000 subs, but forget about the numbers, right? Let's just keep doing what we're doing. See you guys next video. Like, subscribe, comment, let's maybe use your stuff, throw in the camera in there. And we is out.